AI writing and research tools become as commonplace as spellcheck, embedded in every office suite, drafting emails, summarizing reports, and generating first drafts. Screening shifts to AI-powered platforms that analyze video interviews for speech patterns, word choice, and even micro-expressions, narrowing candidate pools before a human gets involved. Software engineers spend less time writing routine code and more time directing AI copilots, reviewing architectures, and solving complex, novel problems. Corporate learning platforms use AI to analyze skill gaps and automatically generate hyper-personalized training modules for every employee, from sales to logistics. Customer service is transformed by AI agents that handle 80% of routine inquiries, escalating only the most nuanced or emotional cases to humans. AI not only transcribes meetings in real time but also flags action items, detects disagreements, and suggests follow-ups, becoming a passive strategic participant. A new role emerges: specialists who craft precise, creative instructions to harness complex AI systems, becoming essential translators between human goals and machine execution. Managers are freed from scheduling, reporting, and basic oversight. Their role refocuses on human-centric leadership, mentorship, culture, and high-stakes decision-making. Sectors like radiology, legal discovery, and basic graphic design undergo a fundamental shift. Professionals in these fields pivot to overseeing, validating, and ethically guiding AI outputs. Despite powerful tools, measurable productivity growth stalls initially as companies struggle to redesign workflows and roles around human-AI collaboration. High-skill, augmented jobs, AI-enhanced, and low-skill, hands-on jobs, in-person care, trades grow, while mid-skill routine cognitive and clerical roles sharply decline. In highly augmented sectors, pilot programs for a 4-day workweek succeed as AI handles the efficiency gap. The debate on work-life balance and universal basic income enters the mainstream. Empathy, creativity, persuasion, and ethical reasoning, skills AI cannot replicate, become the most valued and highly compensated attributes in the job market. A divide emerges between AI-native, agile startups built from the ground up for AI and legacy giants struggling with costly, slow transformations of their outdated systems and culture. Lifelong learning subsidies, governments and companies jointly fund individual learning accounts for continuous reskilling, accepting that a single career path is obsolete. A robust new ecosystem emerges: auditors who certify AI systems for bias, safety, and regulatory compliance, and AI forensics experts who investigate when they go wrong. AI career coaches map individuals' unique strengths, passions, and lived experience to niche, evolving market needs, creating bespoke, hybrid career paths no one could have planned. With AI handling much logistical work, a societal struggle ensues over the purpose of human labor. People seek work that provides agency, mastery, and community above mere efficiency. A market emerges for products and services certified as human-created or human-managed, catering to a desire for authentic connection and artisan craftsmanship. Work redefined: work is no longer synonymous with a job. It becomes a blend of focused, AI-augmented problem-solving, creative and care-based pursuits, and continuous learning. The central human question shifts from "what do you do?" to "what are you solving for?" and "who are you helping to grow?"